What's how you look nice? How you go?
Just out with a friend. No big.
Your friend have a name?
Shoshana, Carrie from working anywhere.
Let me a charger. I heard to you know my grandfather one bathroom and you know cut fish shit shot.
By the way, Michael did it?
Mm-hmm.
Ask him if he can carry me, please.
Alright, miss, I don't know who I'm going out with. Anyway, what time?
By 6:37 sharp.
Okay, miss. So.
So much money for you know, Michael?
About $1,500.
No, oh gosh, Michael, no. I don't have that. I don't have that.
Alright, but 1,200.
Hold on,
No man, 15 base, 15 base. 15 base man. You know see the whole of the road that mash
No,
up.
Michael.
You know have a car now my girl. Front end part expensive. No bother with it man. Come man, sure. Parts.
Hold on, this.
Come on.
Bye, Shauna. Later, Auntie darling.
You should have pay a light bill for you too.
Allah. Sorry, the rat face boy Michelle gone out with.
You feel that for true.
Jesus Christ. I like Angie come. I like that man.
You know how for all these people good man everything now. I take time to pick me now. I'm gonna have
Let's check too much, man.
Yo, you never see me call I want to your phone.
Or you don't see him call?
You sure?
Oh, goddamn, my phone.
Which way?
I left it in the car.
You sure? Check your bag, good man.
Hello. Hello. Michelle. I left your phone at the taxi.
Mama, the one say don't look like a rat.
Angie, shut your mouth.
Mama, this true.
Stop it, man.
What she do ya? What she do ya? Our bill in a full from the last time she named the mountain of food over there, so.
So I carry for work this.
Oh, please, Shauna.
Someone never go bowling before you come invite
Shauna,
me.
it was just a last minute thing.
Eh. So you go bowl or not?
You never did see have someone for Shauna?
So how you move so strong? I say if you go bowl or not?
We? What you mean what? You did give me your money, Shauna. What you mean by we? What you mean by we?
Hey. You know do that something.
Yo, go easy man. Yo, ease yourself. My girl, ease yourself.
People them good place. Come.
Just go easy now, my girl. I want to you. You come here, you broke still. Let me just at least take care of the little girl now. Come here. So here we go. Only me, you, and Angela.
No, let's come here.
Alright.
No, miss. If my daughter bowl me a bowl too.
Okay, Shauna. You can bowl with me.
Hey, Michelle. You know me never tried it. Give me a try, man. How are you doing, okay? Can I get a size 8, please?
See here.
Thank you.
Yo, my dear. Size 12, yeah. Sorry. See there.
Alright.
We're hungry.
What?
We're
What you want to eat?
Food.
What kind of food?
Want ice cream and cake and chips and burger and chicken and vegetables and soup and cookies and smoothie and
Alright, don't forget.
You can't let me toast there. Make me just box over something over this a while. Let me toast there, no?
Where me get it from?
So then even get toast there. I mean, I have the money to pay for it, you know. I mean, I pay toast there. Let me.
Hey! You come out of me yet, man.
Angie, want to Angie? Let me.
I don't have it. I don't have it. I don't have it. I don't
The
have
mountain?
it. I don't have it.
Lord, catch you imagine the car, the 2 hours and no money.
Want here? You want here?